Okay, so we got a Stihl MS-170, and it's got a few little intake mods on it, just a few, nothing crazy, but just a few little holes, extra holes drilled in the air intake just to make it a little more snappy. And it's got a muffler mod. Again, nothing crazy on the muffler mod, just spark arrestor's gone. These fins are bent out a bit, and then the main hole where there's all these little holes in here, I drilled about a 1/2 inch hole right in the center there. Other than that, all stock. This one, the Poulan 2150, whatever you want to call it, it's got some little intake mods as well. You might have seen one of my other videos on this saw, the complete kind of review I did on it. It's got a muffler mod, and it needed some extra oiling, so I modified the oil pump. Other than that, that's pretty much all we did to this saw, not a whole lot. And we're gonna do a little shootout here and see which one cuts better. I think the MS-170 is 31 cc's, I think, 30 or 31, and this one's 36. So it's pretty close. We'll see what happens here. Let's try. Okay, let's see what the times are. Okay, well there you have it. It's pretty close, I think. We'll have to see what the times are when I get home, and snow on the ground everywhere here, but the mosquitoes are eating me alive. And it's getting late in the day, so we'll put these two ladies to bed here. Let's see what happens with the times.